Richard? Where are you? What's wrong with the kids? They haven't been this scared since you made them wax your back. Richard, you better not be trying to scare me. Oh. Richard? Richard, stop playing games. Richard?
Kenneth has grown up to be a troubled child.
A troubled child that eats people? We've got to do something!
You're right. No video games for a week. Grounded for 2 weeks. Okay, let's send him to boarding school.
Stop being so soft! We have to stop him now!
What was that? It's an owl.
Oh.
What was that?
A twig.
Oh.
What was that?
That's my butt cheek quivering with fear.
Really?
Yeah, look.
Darwin, this is our chance! Yeah!
Ow!
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 Ow, 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 ow! Ow,
Ooh.
Are you all right in there?
Partly digested and a little cramped, but otherwise fine. Just get us out of here, please.
Dude, we gotta do something.
I got it! Tie the hose pipe around me, then all I have to do is dive into his mouth, grab everyone, make a human chain. When I say okay, you simply pull us out. Got it? Let's go! Yeah, did it! Everybody, hold tight. Okay, Gumball, now pull!
Gotcha! Okay, this isn't working.
Well, think of something else! Our lives depend on you!
I hate to tell you this, but I got nothing.
No, get it! Please don't eat me! Please!
If you like eating people, I'll bring you some, like a good mother. And, maybe a salad once in a while because you're starting to get a little bit chubby.
Here's your package. Have a nice day.
Gumball! Great idea turning on the hose!
Oh, it was nothing. Just quick thinking, you know? I work best when I'm under pressure. It definitely wasn't an accident or anything. Oh, Kenneth, look at you now. You're as sweet as when you were born. Who can imagine he'd turn into such a... Dad, no!
Are you kidding me? That thing ate me and barfed me. I'm going to end this right now.
But he didn't mean it. It's just that we've been bad parents.
Gumball, that thing is a man-eating monster!
Yes, maybe he eats people once in a while, but maybe, just maybe, he needs some love and understanding. We are responsible for the future generation. We make the children that will become the world of tomorrow. Don't blame Kenneth. Blame yourselves, because you're my parents too. What? Look at him. He won't hurt anyone now.
Doesn't this poor creature deserve a second chance?
Okay.
Trust me, guys. This time, it'll be different.